First, I want to say that I'm sorry for not uploading. I've had homework and a busy schedule, and after a computer error and I couldn't get the video right and it wouldn't work, I just got pretty discouraged, but now I'm going to make another video. I have a new series. I'll explain it to you, and let's get to the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to be starting a new series called Arbitrary Unboxings, where I unbox whatever I want. If I get something new, I'll unbox it no matter how stupid it is or how just random stuff. And just kick off the series, I'm going to start with something small and stupid. Freaking Office Depot correction tape. Yeah. So, as you can tell, I messed up the packaging when I was, I was bored. As you can tell, I messed up the packaging when I was bored. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna test it, because this is what we do on the series now. So, I'm gonna open this. I've been waiting to do this because I need correction tape and I haven't had time to film the video. So, let's hope the computer errors don't happen again and we can get into the video. Just gotta do it the classic way. Ow! Don't you hate these packagings, man? They suck. Gotta get it. Scissors. Get some scissors. There. Come on. I want my Office Depot correction tape. I need these for class. Oh, it's nice as they come in 2 packs. When you run out of one, have another in the front of Smash. Here's the packaging. No one cares about the packaging. I think you have to open. Yeah, these even have covers, man. This is nice, man. Now, I'll get a paper for a test. So, I got a paper for a test, and we'll just write something random like squiggles. Oh no, those are some. Well, let me just zoom. This focus is manual focus. I say, oh no, I didn't want to write that. Let me just. And it doesn't work. Oh, it's working. So, you can see, it kind of works. And these are super cheap. I got them at, where'd you guess? We got them at Office Depot. Anyway, so that was episode 1 of Arbitrary Unboxings. I got some dope. Good screw. There you go. Okay. There you go. So, there are your, 4.2 millimeter. Get the focus on here. Oh, there was a focus that close. 4.2 millimeter correction tape.